Many Bothans died to bring us this information. So here is a secret formula for making a never before seen old fashioned. So I have hit 500 plus subs, halfway to that 1,000. So at 1,000 subs, I would like to do a giveaway. I want everyone's help to decide what would be an appropriate giveaway for this special occasion. Please leave in the comments below what you think would be a great giveaway.
Holy giveaways, Batman!
Bothan spies were credited with obtaining information concerning the location of the DS-2, Death Star 2 mobile battle station.
Many Bothans died to bring us this information,
thereby enabling the Rebel Alliance to plan an attack on the unfinished space station. Cocktail quiz time! How many Bothans died in Rogue One? Bothans were furry mammalian arthropods about 1.5 meters tall. Bothans were known for being master politicians, spies, and craving intrigue. This secret formula is to honor the lives sacrificed by the many Bothan spies that died to bring us this information. Ingredients for Bothan spies died old-fashioned. 3 to 6 dashes of cherry bitters, 1 bar spoonful of maple syrup from Kashyyyk, 2 ounces Botham Sherry Expression Scotch whiskey, 3/4 ounce Oloroso Sherry, lemon twist. Let's start making. Many Bothan spies died to bring us this old fashioned. In a mixing glass, we're going to add 3 to 6 dashes of cherry bitters. Next, we're going to add 1 bar spoonful of maple syrup from Kashyyyk, 3/4 ounce of Oloroso Sherry, finally adding 2 ounces of Bothan Sherry Express Scotch whiskey. Now we're going to stir until chilled. We're going to strain this into an old-fashioned glass with a large ice. And we're going to express lemon oils on top. Give it a little twist. And we're going to decorate with that. So there you go. Many Bothans died to bring us this information old-fashioned. Cocktail quiz time. How many Bothans died in Rogue One? Answer: none, since the information was for the original Death Star. However, 24 Bothans sacrificed their lives in order to attain the technical specification for Death Star 2. It is now time to taste the secret old-fashioned recipe. I have not tried this before because it's the first time I've ever get my hands on this information. It took a lot of calls and favors to get this.
What favor?
So here we go. Okay. First of all, I am not much of a Scotch drinker. 2 things with this. I've never had the Scotch. I've never had the Sherry. So I think I need to try them to kind of get an understanding how these flavors are mixing. So now that I've tasted these both individually, I know what each one kind of tastes like. So I want to see, how does this all mix together? All right, now I kind of get it. Now I see what I'm tasting. What I first taste is actually the sherry. Sherry, can you come out tonight? I'm tasting that up front. Then I'm getting the Scotch with a little bit of that peat or smokiness. This one doesn't have a lot of that smoky flavor that I see with a lot of Scotches, but I do taste it. I'm trying to see, but the cherry in here is very, very mild. It could probably use even more of the cherry bitters if you want that to stand out. And with the maple syrup, I get no really hint of that maple syrup. I think there's a little tiny bit of sweetness at the end, but I'm almost feeling like I'm almost forcing that to taste. So I really don't taste that. So if you wanted to, I would suggest maybe even adding a little bit more of that maple syrup. If you like Scotch and you like sherry, you're definitely gonna like this drink because you do taste both of them. And the more I go in and the more I taste it, the more I can see how these flavors are blending together and starting to intertwine. I'm really starting to like the flavor a little bit more, and that's because I'm not even a Scotch drinker. Now, is this my favorite old fashioned? No, I'm more of a bourbon drinker and I'm starting to like rye more. I'm not much of a Scotch drinker, but I can really see that if you're a Scotch drinker and even like sherry, you're gonna really like this one. Those are the 2 first and upfront tastes that you're gonna get when you first drink this.
May the force be with you.
May the force be with you.